Welcome to the Wi-Tek Product Solution channel. We'd like to share with you the Hotel WLAN&CCTV solution. This innovative solution is specifically designed to meet the needs of Hotel WLAN&CCTV systems. Throughout this presentation, we will cover 6 key areas: solution introduction and requirement, network architecture, product selection, bill of material, and operation of device. Let's start with the first part: solution introduction. Hotel projects contain many different areas that have different demands, such as lobby, guest room, indoor public areas, meeting rooms, and outdoor public areas. For a cabling network, 3 layers are needed: the access layer for PoE devices, the aggregation layer for link aggregation, and the core layer for internet access. As for device management, Cloud App and Web offers you the best experience running your hotel projects. Next, let's talk about solution requirements. We classify hotel projects into 3 levels according to hotel size: luxury, standard and economic hotels. Each hotel has different requirements. Luxury up to more than 200 guest rooms, standard hotels with 50 to 200 guest rooms, and economic hotels with less than 50 guest rooms. Each hotel has different requirements. Here are several indoor and outdoor public areas. Luxury hotels have all these areas, and standard doesn't have a gym or parking lot for indoor public areas. For outdoor, there is no public area like the outdoor restaurant, swimming pool, and garden, for economic hotels which own only indoor elevator and lobby. As for functions, standard hotels have no demand for IPTV and VoIP. Economic hotels don't have the demand for load balancing of multi-WAN and IPTV. Next, let's explore network architecture. The first is for luxury hotels. The access layer in each area has different devices, and indoor public areas must install IP cameras to build CCTV systems and Wi-Fi 6 AP to provide a high rate of surfing the internet. CPE is used in the elevator for video stream transmission. In guest rooms, there are Wi-Fi coverage, IPTV and VoIP. In outdoor areas, we are more likely to use outdoor AP with IP65 waterproof. And switches, we use the Cloud Layer 2 switches, and dual Cloud Layer 3 switches work as the aggregation layer switch to provide link backup. If some monitoring points are too far away from the PoE switch more than 100 meters, PoE extender can help you to extend the maximum distance up to 650 meters. Next is the architecture of standard hotel. The only difference is that we recommend Wi-Fi 5 APs for both indoor and outdoor. And the access layer switch recommends Cloud Easy Smart PoE switch. The aggregation layer uses Cloud Layer 2 switch to connect with NVR. Gateway is used to connect to the ISP and work as the access controller. For economic hotels, only need Wi-Fi 4 APs in guest rooms combined with Cloud Easy Smart switch. And in the lobby, use AC108P to power up the IP camera and APs. Next, let's explore the product selection. First is wireless AP comparison. The luxury hotel uses Wi-Fi 6 AP for both indoors and outdoors, a wireless rate of up to 3000 megabits per second, and provides up to 500 users for indoor AP and 250 users for outdoors. Standard hotels use Wi-Fi 5 AP and support 150 users for indoor and 50 users for outdoor models. Besides, both Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6 AP support 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency. For economic hotels, Wi-Fi 4 AP single band is enough. Next, for access layer switch comparison. For luxury hotels, we mainly use full layer 2 managed switches for both indoor models and outdoors. Standard hotels mainly use PCES 326GF as the access layer switch with supporting part of layer 2 functions. For economic hotels, also choose Cloud Easy Smart switch. The next comparison is for the aggregation layer switch. Luxury needs a layer 3 fiber switch to connect access layer switches. For standard hotels, we recommend a layer 2 managed fiber switch. Economic hotels don't need aggregation layer switches. Last is the comparison of the gateway. Luxury hotels need AC 500 to manage APs up to 500 and provide multi-WAN ports for link backup. Standard hotel for AC 150 to manage up to 150 APs. And multi-WAN ports to provide link backup. As for economics, hotel just doesn't provide link backup of multi-WAN. And managing 64 AP is enough. Next, let's explore the BOM, bill of material. The BOM of luxury hotel, to cover both indoor and outdoor areas with Wi-Fi. We use Wi-Fi 6 access points. For indoor is WI-AP219AX indoor AP, and each one covers 6 guest rooms. As for outdoor areas, also for Wi-Fi 6 high-performance AP WI-AP316AX with IP65 waterproof function. For PoE switches in outdoor areas, choose PCMS310GFO Cloud Layer 2 Management PoE switch. For indoor areas, use Indoor Cloud Layer 2 PoE switch PCMS328GF, and depends on the number of terminals and guest rooms. And Layer 3 switch works as the core switch and provides dual link backup. Next, for BOM of standard hotel. For indoor and outdoor areas, use Wi-Fi 5 APs to cover Wi-Fi. Each indoor AP covers 10 guest rooms, and the outdoor AP mainly covers the entrance of the outdoor. For the access layer PoE switch, the Cloud Easy Smart PoE switch PCES326GF is the best choice and depends on the number of terminals and guest rooms. The core switch uses Cloud Layer 2 managed switch CGS5018, and the quantity depends on dual link backup requirements. The last BOM is for economic hotel. Each floor covers Wi-Fi with 2 Wi-Fi 4 APs WI-AP210 and use Easy Smart PoE switch to power up terminals like IPC and APs. For gateway use AC108P to manage all the access points and power up extra IP camera and AP. Last part, let's explore the operation of device. For luxury hotels, multiple functions are needed. Mainly configured by switch and gateway. For the switch, you need to set QoS and VLAN. As for the gateway, you need to manage AP centrally, set VLAN binding multi-SSID and portal authentication by the gateway. And IPTV and VoIP are supported. Cloud Service Users Manual lets you know how to manage APs, switches, and gateway centrally and remotely. For the operation of standard hotel, function configurations are the same as luxury hotels, the only difference is there is no IPTV and VoIP. At last, is the configuration of the economic hotel, which doesn't support IPTV and VoIP either. Meanwhile, since economic hotels don't have the WAN backup demand, so it doesn't need that function. Following these configuration guidance files, you can set all the demands of hotel projects. Thank you for watching this episode of Wi-Tek's Product Solution channel. If you found our content helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Your support is our motivation to keep updating. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.